MDX Portal Log-Out, Module 10. Welcome to the 10th and final in a series of educational videos for the Medicare Administrative Contractor, or MAC, Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services, or CMS, data exchange portal known as the MDX Portal. I am Emily Norment with the Medicare Contractor Management Group and member of the MDX Portal team. Now that you've watched the videos on how to navigate and use the MDX features and functions, the next step is to understand how to log out. Once logged in, you are required to log out of the MDX portal when no longer using it. There are several ways to log out provided by MDX. You can use the Logout button located at the top right-hand side of the My Portal page, or, once inside MDX, the Logout button can be found on the File Submission, Submission Explorer, Bulletins, MSRE File Validation Simulator, Document Library, and MDX Overview pages. Simply click on the Logout button to return to the Login page. And finally, if you've navigated to the MDX dashboard and reports and want to log out from there, you need to click the drop-down option next to your name and then select Logout. Once you do this, a confirmation window will appear. Simply select Continue and then select the other Logout button at the top of the page to return to the Login page. On behalf of the MDX Portal team, thanks for watching How to Log Out.